Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Funding.com now. That's SWISH funding.com.
Smell that crisp autumn air. Fall is here, and Amazon relays in the spirit. Pumpkin spice, decorative gourds, and a cornucopia of freight to haul this season. Pick up Power Only Loads.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
Navigation, easy check-ins.
Emergency video.
So when you're done,
Emergency video.
relay.amazon.com, and we'll keep you hauling this season.
Emergency video.
Stuck in debt and looking for a long-term solution. Tackle new challenges each day. And a career that will grow with you.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
Make the switch to truck driving and spend more time with
doing, bro? What the f is wrong with you?
Don't look at the bank account for a few days. I don't want to tell you how much. Not a
that confirmed her analysis and wouldn't entertain any other explanation. Had she been the bucket she claimed to be, she would have been able to hear other explanations. She was worse than a bucket. She exemplified another defining feature of pseudoscience: rampant confirmation bias.
Not in a shy way. So now you're making me nervous. Holy shit!
Ooh, baby! I love that one.
Dig to where our interests are. You don't need to have read this scenario to
I'm actually sorry.
but you don't. You actually don't. And case in point. Hobbit's better than the Lord of the Rings.
Called Pam and was like, just so you know, we're going to the police station. No, Pam yelled at Mrs. Eaton on the phone and said, don't take her over until I get there. Let me go with you and we can all go together. I am a victim here. I have a right to know everything.
degrees to stay on I-270 south.
Oh, Jesus. Fuck.
Kidding me? Stop behind me! Hello? Let's move!
Oh, shit.
What's wrong with you?
Look, I have it too. Yeah, good job.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.